This is an outdoor camera, but I actually installed it inside of the studio space for safety and security. And right out of the box, you can see that it's a really nice and quality camera. It comes with an Ethernet cable, a power cord, an extension cord, and everything you need to mount it on your wall. It has 2 lenses on here, giving you an ultra wide angle and 4K video quality with 6 times zoom. And you'll see motion detection, and it has bright lights that will turn on when there is motion detected. There's also a built-in speaker on here and a microphone, so you can have a chat with whoever is there. And mounting it is also super easy with this mounting plate. There are 2 antennas on here that will reach a long distance to your router. There's also a slot for a micro SD card that will hold up to 256 gigabytes. But you can also record directly to your phone or use their cloud service or other devices that kind of do the whole security camera thing. It will recognize people, vehicles, and pets. And the PTZ on here, or pan tilt zoom, is really smooth on here. And you can either auto track, which is a really cool feature. It will just like track a person and follow them around, or you can control it yourself through the app, or you can even set different waypoints. So if you want to check a certain area really quickly, you can press that waypoint. You can get full color day and night shots, just making it the perfect security camera because you can see what's going on. But there's also night vision, and there's also an alarm, so if there is an intruder, you could just turn on that alarm. It's really loud, and that would definitely scare away any intruders. And just another reason why I think REOLINK is just a great camera system.